Right folks, we're back out. So, what we're doing tonight, right, I've got the DD tarp up, the Camo XL, brilliant. I've got my swag tent out tonight, and then I've got my new toy. So, I've got a Petromax FT3 Dutch oven. So it's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight. Right, well, what I'm going to cook is a full roast dinner. So, stay tuned. So, I've got a big huge bit of roast beef. I've got roast potatoes, carrots, a bit of garlic, a bit of beef stock. Oh, you'll see it all when I bring it out. But I'm going to get the fire going. It's going to take about 2 hours to cook, I think. But well, this is going to be good. And I can't wait to use this Dutch oven. I've been wanting one of these for ages, so this is going to be a good meal tonight. But night's yet young, so we might as well start it off with what we've got tonight. A wee pear cider. Lovely. Oh, I've got a nice bottle of wine for later on. Wee recommendation. So I'll show you that later. But it's supposed to be quite a good one, so look forward to eating that. But right now, let's get the fire on. Right, that's the fire started. So, I've got a hefty pile of wood all prepped. So, I'm not running out of wood tonight. I think if I'm going to be cooking for 2 hours, I'm definitely going to need it. But the fire's on. Right, so, it's another sunny day in the Shire. So, I'll show you my setup tonight. The Rockhampton swag. Outhouse Rockhampton swag. I've got the DD XL DD XL Camo tarp, which is a great tarp. It's absolutely huge. It's got the amount of space under it. The only reason I put that up was just in case it rains tonight. But fingers crossed it won't. Which I don't think it's going to, because that big sunny thing's up in the sky again. Ah, sunshine, love it. So, like I say, roast beef tonight. Full roast beef dinner. So, first time trying out the Dutch oven, so hope it goes to plan. I'm sure it will. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Right, what I'm going to do, I was going to just put the Dutch oven directly on the fire. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to build myself a wee tripod. So I've just chopped kind of 3 larger, I don't know, sticks, logs, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to make a wee tripod with that, and I'll hang the Dutch oven from that. So let's go on with it. Right, here we go. Job's a good one. So I'm going to let that heat up, and I'll stick some oil in it. I'm going to brown the big chunk of roast beef off first. Already seasoned it with a bit of Himalayan rock salt and some cracked black pepper. So that's what I've got. Oh, check that huge bit of roast beef out. Right, some British roast potatoes. Where a pound, now 77 pence. It's a deal, it's a steal. 4 giant Yorkshire puddings, carrots, onions, garlic, those things, I can't remember what they're called now. Parsnips, oil, lean parings, a wee bit of brown sauce. That just gives it a nice wee kind of kick as well to the gravy. And obviously I'll maybe stick some red wine in it as well. But it's looking good to go. So, right, first things first. Check that out. Right, so it says you've got to seal this. Sizzle. Oh yeah, oh look at that. So I'm going to seal the outside of this first. Right, put do you think? That's what was shared to me. Right, next step. Right, what I've done is I've put a wee bit of stock in. Right, but next up I'm going to chuck some onions in. Just kind of put them in at the sides. Some carrots. Right, and obviously I've seasoned these as well. I'm telling you, this is going to fit in and no more. Right, I've also chopped up some garlic. That means I'll stick that in and Right. Can't tell a lie, I like a bit of Worcester sauce. Plenty of it. I always think it gives you a nice flavour. Right, some folk probably think that's too much, but it does me. Right, and then finally I've also got the parsnips. So I think that'll fit in and no more. I think that's good to go. Right, and the potatoes I can get them sorted in a minute. So we'll do that. Right, and then basically get the lid shut. Right, that's my shut. That'll have to do, won't it? That's good enough. Right, so what you do is as well, you start feeding the fire at one side, that gives you your coals, then you just slowly move them over. That keeps it in a reasonable heat, and you don't end up burning it. Right folks, it's been on an hour, let's give it a wee look. Oh, oh yeah, oh that's looking tremendous, tremendous. Right, so it's been on about an hour. I reckon I'm going to give it either an hour and a half or 2 hours of it cooked just right. So next up, I'm going to stick some roast tatties on. I thought I might have fitted them in that, but the bit of roast beef's that big that it's not happening. So I've got a kind of wee kind of metal kind of tray thing. I'll just stick them in that. Yorkshire puds, might just stick them at the side, just heat them up, or I'll maybe stick them just at the top of the Dutch oven. But oh, this is going to taste superb. So you know what they say, stay tuned. But a couple of ciders now, you know, I've got a nice wee bottle of red wine. So Johnny Explores Scotland's recommended this one. 19 crimes. So it's supposed to be pretty nice. So we'll give that a bash. Once the cider's finished, obviously. But oh, I'm looking forward to this roast dinner. Oh, it's going to taste fantabby-dozy. But night's yet young. So, like I say, I'm going to get my dinner cooked. Swag tent tonight. I was going to put the hammock up, but I thought, oh no, I'll put the swag tent up nice and easy. It only takes 2 minutes. Basically roll it out, stick 2 pegs in, stick the 3 poles in, things up. I don't think it's to rain tonight, but tomorrow night I think it's to rain all night, so it's not rained in a while, but I think tomorrow night it's supposed to rain. So I'm in two minds what to put up tomorrow night. I'll probably put up that, I must admit, I'm loving that TP tent, see with the wood burning stove inside it and that. But I don't know yet, we'll wait and see. But I'll be back out tomorrow night, so that'll be another video. Tomorrow night, what am I going to cook? I think, because I've got that Dutch oven, I think I'm going to cook a... Oh, it depends if it's raining or not, but I quite fancied, like I say, I want to try and do a stew. I've also got a bread, Petromax bread, kind of pan thing. I quite fancied making bread and then once I've made the stew, you pour the stew inside the bread and use you basically pull out the inside of the bread, so it's basically the whole kind of crust. It's almost like a kind of bowl, a bread bowl. Then you can dip that in, but that's tomorrow night. Tonight it's roast beef for the trimmings. Oh yeah. So stay tuned. It's going to, let's say I'm going to get another, I think I'll get another hour, just to make sure that it's cooked right through, and then it's time to eat. So, lockdown, it's no easy, is it? Lockdown. Well, I'm saying no easy. It's not been too bad for me because I've got these woods at the back, but like I say, it's not the same, is it? It's just not quite the same as getting out into the middle of nowhere. But you just have to, needs must, just got to go with the flow now. So, anybody else out garden camping? Oh, that's another one. I have to say happy birthday to somebody that comments my channel, Thomas. So Thomas, this one's for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Thomas. Happy birthday to you. Right, there. I'm not good at singing, but happy birthday, Thomas. Right, time for some roast tatties. So I'm going to stick them on the fire as well, let them cook off. Oh, cannot wait to eat this. Right, roast tatties on. This is tatties doing. Oh, perfect. The grand opening. Oh, check that out by the way. Oh, I tell you, that looks immense. Oh, I'm looking forward to digging into this. So I reckon we're nearly ready. You've seen we're nearly ready. We're rude not to. Just stick a couple of Yorkshire puddings on the top. Nom 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 nom. Oh, that's looking good to me. Oh, right, the tatties are ready and all. Yorkshire puddings. Gravy's cooked along nicely. Oh, tremendous. And dabby dozy. Oh aye, roast dinner. Lovely. Right, I'm going to dig in. Right folks, bon appetit. So, a wee bit of roast beef first. Mm. Mm. You got a roast patty? You've got onion, carrot, and of course, a parsnip, a bit of Yorkshire pudding. It's immense. It's immense. Immense. Oh, that is top notch. So, that's it. Dutch oven, tested out. And I must admit, I think that's went pretty well. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Very well indeed. So, I'm going to dig into this. Once I've dug into this, polished it off, we probably had a second helping. Crack the wine open, I think, eh? Sounds like a plan. Right, job's a good one. Oh, I tell you, that was superb. So, that's us. Dinner's done in. So, kindle out the fire. Oh, there's my tripod flat. We're just going to sit by the fire now. Talk rubbish, as I do. Talk rubbish, drink wine, probably eat chocolate biscuits later. But for now, the fire's on. Oh, yeah. Right, that's the fire kindled up. So, just going to sit by the fire now. Fantastic. Right, you know what time it is. It's time for a bottle of 19 Crimes. Right, 19 Crimes. I've still not got a glass. That's quite nice. So, you was telling me with these 19 Crimes wines, if you download the wine label app, you get to discover the story of whoever it was on the front of it. So, I might just do that. I don't know what this guy's crime is. What do you think? I think it looks a wee bit like me. He's got the same haircut. Right. Well, I can't tell a lie. This is going down a treat. 19 Crimes. Lovely. So, I'm just lying back, enjoying this fire. Fantastic. Light's starting to fade a wee bit now, so don't know. It's no blue skies anymore either, so fingers crossed. It'll start raining. I'm sure it won't. If it does, I'm all set up. Tarp's up as well. Only put the tarp up just no off chance it does rain tonight. Means I can sit under it. I'm not actually having to sit in the tent. But fingers crossed it won't. Oh, it's just good to be out again. It's been a hard week this week. And a busy week. So it's quite nice to it's quite nice when it gets to Friday, innit? Some folk won't know about that again because I've been off or furlough or whatever it is, or these folk are off their work for. But I've been snowed under this week, snowed under. But it's the weekend at last, so just going to enjoy it. Going to enjoy sitting back, fire on, nice bottle of vino, wishing for lockdown to be over so I can get back out. But hopefully it'll be soon enough. Know what I mean? But the Dutch oven went well tonight, didn't it? Well, I thought it went well. It was a good dinner. I enjoyed it. Whereas another night out tomorrow. I think I will get that hot tent out. I don't know. That's my favourite kind of tent now. That Pomley TP tent, the Hex I think it's called. But it's just an excellent tent, and I must admit I want to try it, see, because it's going to rain tomorrow. I want to try it out in the pouring rain, so see what it's up to. Gets a good write up, but a guy out in Canada I've seen using it, and he's had it in the snow and everything, so I'm sure it'll be fine. But I think it's the rain all day tomorrow. Whether it will or not, who knows, but that's the only thing, is taking it down when it's wet. It's nothing worse than having to take your tent down when it's wet, is there? But hey ho, just have to go on with it. But I think it's time to stoke the fire again. What do you think? That's better. Right, I'll catch in a wee minute. Get another rare wee heat off it. Right, what do you think? Plain or salt vinegar first? Salt vinegar. So, going to scoff these. Fire's going good. Fire's going good. Wine's going down a treat. As I say, wish you were here. Ah, the business. So, who knows what time we'll get to my bed tonight. It's getting darker now though, isn't it? I've had to put a torch on to enlighten the bit I'm sitting. But you'd think that after 2 helpings of roast beef and tatties, that'd be full. No. I honestly think I could eat for Scotland. Absolutely no bother. Hey, and I've still got the chocolate biscuits to go. But I'll wait till later on for that. Usually do that. Well, you know me. I like dunking my biscuits in my brew. That'll be later on. Right, that's the salt and vinegar finished. So, on to the plain ones now. Squares. So, I'll keep saying so. I'm terrible. I get put up on my work all the time for saying the same thing all the time. let's sew, what else? Oh, loads of things, I don't know, I just repeat myself all the time, but why worry, huh? Why worry? You are who you are. It's the same with you always get the dislikers, don't you? Let's see my videos, I guarantee I'll always get 6 or 7 dislikes. I'll also get 6 or 7 haters that don't like my videos, right? But it doesn't bother me the slightest. See if you don't like it, well, scroll on, because, but some folk let it get them. It doesn't bother me the slightest. See if you don't like my videos, well, don't watch them. You probably just hear me crunching and crisps now, can't you? I don't know if it's the folk, maybe they don't like my cooking. Most folk like my cooking. I get folk saying, hey, you cook better out in the woods than what my wife cooks for me in the house. Or I maybe get I think there's maybe one that it's because I drink out the bottle. Right, I think that one individual maybe wants me to have a fancy wine glass. But the way I look at it, in the middle of the woods, why would I bring a wine glass into the middle of the woods? So I'm quite happy. Drinking wine out the bottle, eating crisps, cooking outside. If folk don't like it, well, doesn't bother me. Doesn't bother me the slightest. So, I know. I've just, I've been drinking cider, I've been drinking wine. I'm eating crisps. Well, I can't tell lies, just 19 crimes. Lovely. So, thanks John. Thanks for telling me about this one. Very nice. So, just when I mentioned John there, because he recommended this wine, go and check his channel out. Johnny Outdoors. He's not long started his channel. Likes cooking a wee curry and that now and again. His curries look quite nice. And I must admit, his choice in vino is very nice as well. The other folk saying, why does he still get sunglasses on? It's pitch black. Well, I don't know. I just like wearing sunglasses. And you know the best of it? I've got another 3 pairs coming. Different ones, different colours, different. I just like wearing sunglasses. I don't care whether it's the middle of the night. I just like to wear a pair of sunglasses. Another fella, Monty Outdoors, he was asking me as well, why do you wear sunglasses? And I told him, oh, it's the glare. It's the glare off my torch. So, I've got all sorts of excuses, right? But at the end of the day, who cares what anybody thinks? You just got to enjoy yourself, don't you? especially in these current times. See the lockdown, stuck in the house, and just a nightmare. Whereas, I know I'm lucky. I'm lucky that I can get out here. I can get out the back door and camp out the back garden. I've got the woods just at the back door that I can camp out here. So I'm very lucky. There's a lot of folk don't have that. Whereas just my luck, I do. Right, but I reckon see once this lockdown's over, see the wilderness, I'm saying the wilderness, but the great outdoors and that, it's going to be mobbed. Everybody's going to be out, aren't they? The minute they go, oh, you're allowed to go wild camping, it's going to be a mass exodus. Everybody's going to be out. Everybody's going to be disappearing into the hill. Oh, excuse me. Disappearing into the hills, up mountains, into the woods, out to walks. Basically whatever folk like doing when they go outdoors. It's just going to be a mass exodus. It's 11:15. Still going strong. Fire's going a treat. Oh, pure business. Something about a fire, isn't there? Just gotta love a fire. Right, the 19 crimes is finished, or the vino, whatever you want to call it. So, it's time for a brew. So, I'll get the Robbins titanium mug, 450ml. I'm going to get a wee chock-a-mocha before I go to my bed. Good wee night. So, hope you've enjoyed. Right, chock-a-mocha time. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It's really the best at it. I'm disappointed. I forgot the chocolate biscuits. Oh no! Hey ho. Right, chock-a-mocha. Right. 2 seconds. Last wee bit of the 19 crimes. All done. Right. Lovely. Right, cheers. Chock-a-mocha time. Lovely. So, I'm going to drink this, and I might even probably just chuck a wee bit more wood in the fire. And then I'm going to dive into what I've got tonight, the Outhouse Rockhampton swag. So, I'm going to dive into that. Like I say, stick a wee bit more wood in the fire, dive into the tent, chill out. But another good wee night. Always good to be out, isn't it? It's just good to be out. Right, we're in. So, in the bag, I've got my chock-a-mocha ready. I'm just going to sit, chill, watch the fire for a wee bit, and then crash it. Right, so chock-a-mocha time, then it's time for bed. Right, that's us. Ready for bed. So, bring us back in the morning. We'll pack up, head. I'm going to say head. I was going to say head home, but it's literally pack up and head through the back fence, and I'm home. So, bring you back in the morning. Good night. Morning. So, or good wee night. So, time we got up. I slept with a log. Good wee tent, this swag tent. The mattress on it is it's just so comfy. But time we got up, so we'll get up, get it all down, then head up the road. Simple as this. This basically rolls up. Two flips. Job's a good one. Right, so just going to take my tarp and that down, but that's it for another one. So we're back out tonight, but thanks for watching. As always, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and finally make sure you hit that bell. So thanks for watching. Adios amigos.